Next up, we're diving into the world of investing with Wealthfront, one of the most popular AI-powered robo-advisors on the market today. Now, I know investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're not a financial expert. But that's the beauty of Wealthfront. It takes all the guesswork out of investing, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level. Wealthfront starts by getting to know you and your financial goals. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance, your investment timeline, and what you're saving for. Once Wealthfront has a good understanding of your financial picture, the AI goes to work. It crafts a personalized investment portfolio tailored to your specific needs and goals. The AI selects from a diversified mix of investments, ensuring that your money is working hard for you across different asset classes. Wealthfront's AI continuously monitors the market, looking for opportunities to optimize your portfolio and keep you on track to reach your financial goals.